Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to use the VP Residence Scroll Gallery widget for Elementor to create new sections in Pages. The VP Residence Scroll Gallery widget is showcased in our Emirates demo. This is the one. You can create sections with text and image, and on scroll you will have this sliding effect. Next, I will show how to use this widget. I have here a page created with Elementor, so I will edit it with Elementor. I have already prepared the section where I will add the widget. I will look for the widget in the list. This is the one, and I will add it in the page with drag and drop. Once added, you will need to add the items that you want to scroll. I will add the first one, and I will start adding content. I will add a title here. Title will show. Here you can add the text, and here you can upload the image that will show on sliding. You can select an image from media or upload one from your device. I will select one from media and insert. Next, you'll have the option to add title for the image and a description. The first slide is ready. Now I will add a second one. It shows here. I will set the second item. I will add title. I will add text and select the image. I will select it from media. I am done with the second item as well. I will also add a third one. In total, I will add 5 elements. So next I will add the fourth and the fifth one. Once you are done with the content for each item, you need to go to Style, and here you can make settings for the design. In the first section, you will have text styles. Here you can make settings for the item's colors. You'll have here the color for the title and for hover state. Next, you can set the typography for the title. You can set family, font, size, and make other settings. Next, you'll have colors for the paragraph font and for the paragraph typography. And the last element is for the bar here. You have the option to change the color. In the next section, image style, you can make settings for the images that will show in the widget. You can set the image width. You can change top position, and you can set a border radius. Once you are done with the settings, you just need to save the changes made. And on front end, you'll have a nice new section. On scroll, each item that was added will show the text and the image. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.